Top 5 Bento Lunchboxes for pre-K kids. Hi! Are you tired of the lunchbox shuffle every morning, wondering if food will leak, if your little one can open the box on their own, or if it'll come home untouched? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 Bento Lunchboxes for pre-K kids, our favorite picks that balance convenience, cuteness, and practicality. We've done the homework, so you don't have to. These are the 5 best overall lunchboxes on the market, and I've added affiliate links to each one down in the description to make shopping easy for you. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for more mom-approved reviews from Teuko. Now let's count them down, starting with a 5, the LunchBots Trio Stainless Steel Bento Box. Let's be honest, this one isn't leak-proof, so if your kiddo's lunch includes applesauce or yogurt, you might need a separate container. And some moms mention the compartments don't fully separate runny foods. But the LunchBots Trio really shines in other ways. With its all stainless steel construction, it's incredibly durable, dishwasher safe, and eco-friendly, a big win for sustainability-minded families. The 3 simple compartments are just right for a sandwich and 2 sides, ideal for those no-fuss mornings. Simple, reliable, and made to last. And now, the Kinsho Bento Box for kids. Some parents say the latch can be a little stiff for tiny hands, especially at first. Others mention it's not the best for very wet foods like soups. But overall, the Kinsho Bento Box is a compact, leak-resistant option that's just right for pre-K and daycare. With 3 compartments and even a little spork included, it's made for small hands and portion-sized meals. And it's BPA-free and super durable, plus it comes in fun colors that your toddler will love. 3. OmieBox Bento Box for kids. Yes, it's on the pricier side, and some parents find it a bit bulky in smaller lunch bags. But if you're looking for versatility, this might be your favorite. The OmieBox V2 lets you pack hot and cold food in the same box, thanks to its built-in insulated thermos. It has 3 compartments, is leak-proof, and super easy to open. Perfect for little hands learning independence. Parents love how it opens up meal options for picky eaters who crave variety. 2. PlanetBox Rover Lunchbox. The initial cost might make you pause, and since it's metal, it doesn't go in the microwave. But don't let that scare you off. The PlanetBox Rover is made of stainless steel, and many families say they've used the same one for over 5 years. Yes, really! It's eco-friendly, dishwasher safe, and completely free from plastic nasties. The compartments are perfectly portioned, and the customizable magnets make it fun for kids to decorate. This is a long-term investment that moms swear by. 1. Bentgo Kids Lunchboxes, Original Plus Chill. Let's start with the not-so-fun stuff. Some parents say that if you don't dry the corners properly, they can trap moisture. But let's talk about why Bentgo Kids is our #1 pick. It's the most loved by parents, with over 60,000 glowing reviews. The original 5-compartment Bentgo is leak-proof, drop-resistant, and comes in adorable prints like dinosaurs, unicorns, and rainbows. So there you have it, moms, our top 5 Bento Lunchboxes for pre-K kids, all tested and loved by real families like yours. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorite, or 2, and support Teuko at the same time. And if you found this helpful, we'd love it if you hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews, lunch ideas, and mom hacks straight from our hearts to your kitchen. Until next time, keep packing with love.